Hey, what's up you guys? Justin Salter here to teach you how to play some metal on acoustic. Sounds awesome. Let's try that one more time though. It's kind of, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Anyway, so it's going to be standard E tuning, and you're just going to do a triplet, 1 enda, 2 enda. So it starts on the A string, 10th fret, 9 to 7, 10, 9, 7. So it's 1 enda, 2 enda, 1 enda, 2 enda. So it goes 1 enda, 2 enda. Triplets 1 enda, 2 enda, 1 enda, 2 enda, 1 enda, 2 enda. So it does a lot of half steps, a lot of very chromatic metal. So you can play it muted, or you can play it open. A lot of times it'll start out muted and then open up. And then here's the harmony. So it's going to be 14, 12, 10. Sorry, I fucked up. Messed up. So obviously I need to slow it down and warm up a little bit, but anyway, like I said, I'm a drummer, but it's fun to play this stuff, but you should definitely slow it down. I'm playing it too fast. That's it, man. Like I said, when you put those two together, I'll edit them together. It sounds really cool with the harmony, but that's basically it. Oh man, I might have to delete this video, but you know, we're all learning together, right? It's sometimes easier to play it like this too, like classical. So right there you can tell my playing just got better just by playing classically, where you put the guitar on your left leg. So right there you can already tell a bit of improvement. Obviously, like I said, I need to slow it down. I'm wanting to play it fast. I haven't even warmed up today, but you know, playing it on your left leg classically actually does help. You know, there you go. But peace and love. Comment below. I offer private lessons. It's $30 for 30 minutes. I'll do $20 for the first lesson though. Hit me up. Peace and love. Bye bye. Sloppy, don't judge me. I'm a drummer, but hey, it's fun, right?